Wait a minute. Who said that Nigerian pastors are not thieves and scams? Who said that? Nigerian pastors, those rich pastors who are riding, who have private jets, mansions, and going around with security. Some of them worth $10 million. Some of them $150 million. Some of them worth $20 million. Somebody saying that those people are not thieves and scam. Nnamdi Kanu came out in the broadcast and called those people thieves and scam. And somebody is arguing it. Who is arguing it? They have private jet. Why not sell that private jet and build functional hospital for the poor people? So that people will have good hospital. Why not build a normal house and live in a normal house and take the rest of the money and feed the poor and create jobs for people to have jobs? You come in the church, you preach what you preach is tithe, offering, prosperity. You pray all the while you're preaching prosperity. Who have prospered? Nigeria Nigeria have the highest number of poor people on earth. A pastor will tell you God will protect you, God will protect you, but he will be going about with security. And he's telling you God will protect you. God will prosper you, God will prosper you when you don't have a job, you're suffering of hunger, and he's living in mansion and flying around with private jet. They are thieves now. They are thieves. They are scammers. Yes, of course, there are some few pastors who are preaching the kingdom of God. It is not all those thieves. All those pastors, all of them who have private jet, who live in mansions, who are going around with security, all of them are thieves and scammers. Who is arguing that? People are on the street dying, don't have food to eat. Somebody is going around with big cars, flying in private jet, living in mansion, going around with security men, guiding him with guns. But he's telling you to go and do fasting and wait that God will throw manna from heaven to you. Nnamdi Kanu said it right. Those people are thieves. Those pastors are thieves. Those pastors are scammers. And there is nothing anybody can argue about this. Can't you people reason? Can't you people see? Must somebody tell you people everything? And even when they tell you, you start arguing, you come out on social media, you're talking rubbish. All those big pastors, they are thieves. All those big pastors with mansions and private jets going around with security men, all of them are thieves and scammers. That's what all of them are. All of them are thieves and scammers. All of them. You people are afraid to talk to them and talk about them. Who are they? All of them are thieves. They come to church, they tell you bring tithe, bring water your seed, plant your seed, water your seed. Who want God to bless him today should bring 5,000. Who want God to bless him today should bring $1,000. Are you buying God's blessings with money? Do people buy God's blessings with money? Where in Bible God told you if you want my blessing, come and pay me money? Are you people stupid? Did God tell you anywhere in the Bible, if you need me to bless you, come and bring 5,000, come and bring 10,000? That is what they are practicing in the churches. Scamming people and stealing from people. They will never preach the kingdom of God. What they preach is prosperity. What they preach is money. If you have 5,000, stay here. If you have 10,000, stay there. If you have 20,000, stay there. Then the prayer of a 5,000, God will answer a 5,000. The person who contributed 5,000, his prayer will be different, and his blessings will be different, and his answering from God will be different from the one who contributed 10,000, from the one who contributed 20,000. Who told you that? Who said that? Only those pastors enriching themselves, scamming people. And Nnamdi Kanu came and condemned such things. Did Jesus not condemn what the Pharisees were doing when he came on earth? Did he not pursue the people who are selling, who are doing money exchange in the house of God? Did Jesus not do that? That is the same thing those people are doing. They are exchanging money in the house of God, in the name of God. And Jesus fought with such people. That is the same thing Nnamdi Kanu is doing. And somebody is coming out in the social media and talking rubbish. Who will argue it that those pastors are not thieves? All of them are thieves. All of them are scammers. Some of them left Alakoba because they saw that Christians are stupid. Somebody will tell you, if you bring 1,000 naira, I pray for you, then God will answer your prayer. Stupid pastors, idiots. I went to church here. After church, I was expecting them to tell us to come and give offerings. White People's Church to come and give offerings. They didn't tell us to come and give offerings. And when I asked, they told me it's your choice. If you wish to give, you give. If you do not wish to give, you leave. Nobody is asking you to give anything. Can you see that? If you want to give, you give. If you don't have to give, nobody is asking you to give anything. If it touches your heart to give to the church, you give. If it doesn't touch you, don't give. Nobody is asking you anything. But in Nigerian church, you will pay, you will give first offering, give second offering, give third offering, give tithe, sow seed, water the seed, grow the seed, do this, seed that, do that. They would extort everything you have. Poor people who are barely surviving, and they are building mansions, and they're flying private jet, and going around with securities. Thieves, all of them are thieves. All of them are scammers. Groups of idiots. All Nigerian pastors are thieves and idiots and scammers. That's what all of them are. Not all. There are still very few that are good people. But majority, you see those ones riding, having private jets, counting in billions of dollars, in millions of dollars, and living in mansions. All of them are thieves. All of them are thieves. I see you when you see me.